We're now filming how to do a login ad. So we go down to the login section. I've got to set one up. Put your heading in, subject, and you need to put your image in to this section. So click your cursor to put your image in. Go to where you've got your image link. Copy the image link. Click on the image. Enter the link image. Set alignment to top. Dimension 600 by 300. Set the border to 0. And click insert. Now you'll need to link your URL affiliate link to this. So get your link, affiliate URL, copy it, go back, right click the cursor over the image, click select all, click on to insert your link, insert the copied link, and the target has to open in your new window. Click on that and click insert and then save, and you're all done. Thank you.